Hi guys, welcome back to Unboxer TV. This is Adnan Ahmed, your regular host on Unboxer TV. So guys, if you're watching this video, I'm sure you want to verify your YouTube channel. So if you want to do that, just watch the whole video till the end. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you like this video below, and if you don't like it, dislike it, and make sure you hit that red subscribe button below and hit the bell icon for the notification of my uploads. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So head on to Google or your favorite browser and search for Google Help, and in Google Help, select the first link, click on that, and over here search for verification badges on channel. Hit enter, and you need to have 100,000. Once your channel gets eligibility criteria, as you can read over here, once your channel gets 100,000 subscribers, you are eligible to submit a request to YouTube for a verification badge. Note that we've made changes to this process over time, so you may see many types of channels with verification badges on YouTube. Note, if you are an advertiser interested in a verification badge, contact your sales manager to learn more. You can submit a verification badge once you have 100,000 subscribers, but right now it looks like your channel isn't eligible yet. If it seems wrong, make sure you are signed in with the email address for the eligible channel. Click your account icon in the top right and choose that account. So guys, my channel is not yet eligible for this criteria because my channel doesn't have 100,000 subscribers right now. So if you guys help me to reach 100,000 subscribers, I can show you the whole process. But I had seen some other ways. I had read the blogs about this. So they all said that the once you get 100,000 subscribers, you just have to fill in the contact flow form, and the form is very simple to fill, and just you have to submit, and you will be verified with a check mark within a few days. So guys, that's it in this video. This is a complete tutorial how to get verified on YouTube. If you can help me reach 100,000 subscribers, I can show you the real way. And if you like this video, please like it, and if you don't like it, please dislike it, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for awesome new videos. And this is Adnan. I'm signing off. Meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching.